Meet the cow. Now, in order for the cow to survive, he needs to get his energy from somewhere. He gets it from eating grass. This arrow shows the direction that the energy travels, from the grass to the cow. The grass is also a living organism, so it needs to get its energy from somewhere also. It gets its energy from the sun. The energy travels from the sun to the grass. Now don't forget about us humans. We need energy to survive also. So we get it from eating the cow. This is what you call a simple food chain. Energy is traveling from one organism to the other, and each organism needs the other organism in order to survive. And nothing would survive without the sun, the source of all energy in this food chain. Now, let's look at another organism. Let's take a fish. The fish is an organism that also needs energy in order to survive. It gets its energy from eating algae. Again, the arrow in this food chain shows the direction that the energy is traveling, from the algae to the fish. The algae is like a plant, and it needs to get its energy from somewhere, and all plants get their energy from the sun. Once again, you can see that the source of all the energy in this food chain is the sun. Let's say there's a bear who also likes to eat the fish, but so does the bald eagle. These two organisms have to compete for their food since they both eat the same thing. Now let's say all the bears and all the eagles die because of hunters. Now the fish don't have to worry about being eaten. They will multiply and flourish. This will cause overpopulation, which can be harmful to the environment. Now there are too many fish. They end up eating all the algae. And then when there's no more algae for the fish to eat, the fish will start dying. And now all the organisms in our food web have either died or gone extinct. So what did we learn? That all organisms get their energy from other organisms, and plants get their energy from the sun. And more importantly, all these organisms depend on one another for survival. And if something happens to one organism, it affects all the others. Thanks for watching this educational video on food webs and food chains. Goodbye.